Ever feel like you're just spinning your wheels? You're busy all day, but get nothing really done? You might call that a busy day, but let's be real. A lot of that was just wasted effort. In fact, there's a good chance you spent half your day on pure invisible waste. Yep, half. Now, Lean's 7 wastes aren't just for factories anymore. They're right there in your digital work. And right now, they're silently killing your focus and your output. So let's name them. First up, transportation. That's just needlessly bouncing between apps, tabs, and all your different tools. Next is inventory. Think of this as hoarding tasks, emails, and projects you'll never actually finish. Then there's motion. All that pointless scrolling and searching, it's just mental wandering, that's all. Waiting. You know this one. You're stuck waiting for a reply, and your productive time just dies. Overproduction. This is making more than anyone asked for. Extra slides, extra reports, just extra noise. And overprocessing. Spending forever perfecting something that wasn't that important to begin with. And finally, defects. The rework. All that stuff you got to do over because you rushed it the first time. So what do? It's a simple 3-step process. Spot the waste, eliminate it, and watch your output soar. And here's the key insight. You're not slow. You're just buried under waste you probably didn't even know was there. So when you cut this waste, you get it all back. Your time, your focus, and your sanity too. It all comes down to this simple idea. See the waste, then kill the waste. It's that simple. And that's how you get good at lean thinking. Not all at once, just one simple concept at a time. Want more simplified lean like this? Well, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more.